Alright, so what we've got here is a Toyota Estima 2016, which was used as a taxi. So what we've done is we've installed a 3-way taxi cam. So this records the outside and inside of passengers as well. So you got the inside infrared camera, you got the front camera there, and you got the rear camera in the back. You can connect your phone and you can view all the video. You can download the videos directly to your phone as well. It's all date and time stamped. If you want this installed on yours, see the link down below. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe to our channel.